Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. How you doing today? Well, today is Monday, Veterans Day. Happy Veterans Day to everybody. I got a few hours I can spare, and I'm gonna sneak out in the desert, and guess what? Fire up this old metal detector here. See if I can't go find a gold colored rock. Got all my goodies in here, extra batteries, some digging tools. A few little snacks for the road, some water, a little bit of cheese. So I won't go hungry. All right, let's head out to the desert. Those western days over here at the town park this weekend really turned out well. Big success for the town. It was good to see. They need stuff like that to happen. It's kind of early in the morning, about 9-ish, somewhere around there. Everything's kind of closed up today. It's actually a holiday. Banks and all that, post office is closed. Quartzsite PD there on the right. And this is Plymouth Avenue, heading down towards Main Street. Make a right here on Main. Okay, when I get to the other end of town, I will be back. See you shortly. Okay, we're going to make a left across the freeway up here. There's Carl's Jr.'s to the right. All the truck stops are busy. Holiday traffic. It's actually a 3-day weekend. This is I-10 here. We're crossing over I-10. And we're making a right here on Dome Rock Road. That's Love's truck stop. And we're going to go out Dome Rock quite a ways. A few miles. I'm not going to be out here a real long time today. I just want to get my detector fired up. Test it out. I'm actually going to go to the Gold Club event later this week. Hopefully they'll teach me more about how to use this detector. I bought it a couple years ago, but never really used it much. Kind of going through a big learning curve with it. It's a Gold Bug 2. Really good one, made by Fisher. Okay, we're getting up here close to where the BLM land starts. Just past these old beat up RV parks. Alright, you can see there on the right, they've got a camp post out here now for the BLM land. That's him right there on the right hand side. That's where you register your rig if you're out here camping. And it's both sides of the road. This is a massive area for BLM. It is really spread out. You can stick along the road like these guys here, or you can get way back off the beaten path. Dome Rock kind of follows the freeway, and it's actually got an exit up here. And there's a good look at Dome Rock to the left. Check out that fifth wheel there. That guy's got him a nice spot. Okay, here we are. This is one of the claims for the Gold Club. You can join the Gold Club at Miners Depot. Okay, grab my phone. I'll hop out and get a picture of that sign real quick. Jumpin' Jack Club claim. Now they got 4 claims. I'll show you all of them on the map when we get up here and get parked. This one's real easy to get to, so that's why I'm here. And You can make it out here in a car or anything. All I got's two-wheel drive. That's it. In the van here. And there's a claim marker right there. So we're right at the edge of it. A lot of people come out here. There's been quite a bit of gold found out here. Let me drive up a little bit, and then I'm going to turn around and come back. But this wash right here, a lot of people look for gold in this wash here. Look at that big deep hole there in the right zone. I was digging there for gold. There's holes everywhere around here. Look, all that area off to the right. They've been digging the heck out of there too. So there must be something in here. Plus, in the monsoon season, the water really flows through here when they get the heavy, heavy rains coming off the mountains and off the freeway right there. Really stirs up the soil, so a ton of water comes through here every year. Many times, too. All right, let me head back to that wash. I'll get parked, and we'll see if we can't get this detector out and get something found. Okay, I think I'm just gonna, right up here in this clearing, pull off to the right. Looks like a good place to park, good as any. Okay, switched up cameras. GoPro Hero 4 on the gimbal. Okay, let's go over here. I'll show you what that federal claim looks like. The claim marker that we pass. You'll see them all over when you're out on these claims, and you got to respect them. People pay money for these things, so if it's well marked, you don't have permission, you cannot be on that claim. And this one says jumping jack. It's part of the club. Good to go. We're at the very edge of it. I got a map in the van I'll pull out and I'll show you where we're at. There's Dome Rock over there. Let's walk down. I'll show you that wash down here too. You see holes everywhere where people have been digging. But why not? You know, you see 10,000 videos about RVing and all the shows, but you don't see that many about out here gold mining. Where you're going to this year, I'm gonna be out here quite a bit. There's some other claims on the other side of the freeway I really want to check out too. I've never been to those. See this wash? It's a raging river in the summer. Water just roars through here. And this is all gold country. You'll find quartzsite laying all over the place. Okay, head back to the van. It is super windy. I want to fly the drone, but I don't know. See if it lays down a little bit. But it is really blowing. Okay, when you join the Gold Club, here's the map. Where that one right there, that's a southern jumping jack claim. And we are right there, right along that wash. That line is the wash I just walked through. You can see it laid out. And then there's one right to on the other side of the freeway. Right there. And there's more. This one here, best way to get to it, they said, was off Kofa Road, which is in town. Then you drive across the BLM Road. Now that one might need like a four-wheeler. That's way off by those mountains across over there. And then way over on the other side of the freeway are the other two claims. They call them Middle Camp claims. And I'm hoping, they told me you could get in there with two-wheel drive. I want to explore those later on. All right, I'm geared up. I'm gonna start looking here. I'll be back shortly. Well, most of the hits were junk. Little pieces of metal, bullet casings and whatnot. I gotta get out of here. I'm gonna fly the drone real quick. See if I can't get that copter up in the air just for a few. Give you a quick look at the area. This is just a test. Later this week they have a club meeting and event. I'll be filming all that. And I'm gonna be spending quite a bit of time out here this winter. Alright, this is Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk to you real soon. Take care.